You want to oversize the hole so you can get high octane in there. Just put a few high octane on each side with end plugs on them. This is going to add to the chambered effect. That way, once again, in a case like a hard downpour where this yard floods and it takes on a lot of water, we got a big reservoir in case the pump falls behind. And then when it comes to short cycling, well, that's just not going to happen because we got this giant chambered system. So this chambered system is going to displace a lot of water. So it's going to take forever for this to go up to a height to where it goes to the on position with the float. The water is going to go through those holes that we drilled into the high octane. All that is acting as a reservoir in a chamber. So it's going to take a lot of water to fill the bottom of this to actually move the float. And when it turns on, it's going to count. When it turns on, it's going to pump out probably 150 gallons, this system here.